Number 1. Stand tall and relax your body. Number 2. Gently move your neck side to side. Number 3. Roll your shoulders to release tension. Number 4. Open your chest and stretch your arms. Number 5. Twist your torso slowly to wake up the core. Number 6. Rotate your hips to activate the lower body. Number 7. Bend your knees gently to warm the legs. Number 8. Swing your legs to improve mobility. Number 9. Take deep breaths and stay relaxed. Number 10. Warm-up complete. You are ready to train.